We're headed to the banks of the Great Salt Lake today. We've been neglecting shooting very much here in northern Utah, so it's time to get some reflections and sunset shots. It's been probably over a year since we've been out here to fly and do some things. I say we, I've got my son in tow with me. Say hi.
Hello.
He's got a snack with him as always. Teenage boys do that plenty. Anyway, we'll see what we can find out here. Hopefully it'll be a good day. The shores of the Great Salt Lake are a great place to fly. When the water is still, it's the world's largest reflecting pool. I've seen some amazing sunsets from the shore, and you'd be hard-pressed to find any trees to crash into. We're headed to meet my friend Scott, who is an expert on the Great Salt Lake. He probably spends as much time out here as he does anywhere else, including home. He's got a new spot to show us that features some interesting salt shapes that have appeared a few hundred feet out in the lake. We'll follow his lead to find their location. Then it will be time to fly. We're going to try our GPS lock test again and see how much time it takes between the power up of the aircraft and how soon we have a dozen satellites. Powering up the aircraft right now. Starting the timer. Okay, all point updated. 49 seconds, not bad at all. I'm going to send the aircraft offshore and see what I can find out of the water. It didn't take long to spot the salty shapes a little bit offshore. Watch close to see if you can pick out Scott with his tripod. I was glad to get the footage and still images that I did. It wasn't long before I started experiencing app lockups and crashes again. Going home disappointed tonight. The software kept crashing and freezing up. Luckily the drone came back. Return to home feature is reliable, but I missed a lot of shots tonight. Pretty disappointing. But I don't want to end on a negative note. It was still a beautiful evening and I came away with some pretty shots that I'll be sharing on my Instagram account. You can take a look at those at Hanson Air Photo. Next up, I'll be researching the cause of these app crashes. Hopefully I'll find some answers soon. If you're curious, stay tuned to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.